Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanu here, and today I'm going to react on a movie trailer, that is The Lady of Heaven, and it is a 2021 trailer, and it was requested by one of my viewers, so thank you for suggesting me this video. And so before we start our video, please make sure you like and subscribe my channel, give your love and support to me, and I will really appreciate that if you keep suggesting me different types of music videos or movie trailers, whatever you like. And you can follow my Instagram page, that is Purple Army 3221. And I like to share one more thing with you all, that is I have one more Instagram page name as Just Thoughts. So on that page I like to share my thoughts regarding two different topics, what I think, what are my views, and I write by myself, of course. So yeah, if you like to read, if you like reading, or if you want to share something personal or any life experience with me, if you want to connect with me personally, you can follow my Just Thoughts Instagram page, or you can also connect with me on Purple Army 3221. I will give you the address of my both the Instagram pages in the description section. Okay, so बाकी की बातें हम करेंगे वीडियो के बाद में. We will talk after the trailer. Okay, so let's start with the reaction. 1, 2, 3, here we go.
The world is in shock as a group of terrorists has taken control of large areas of Syria and Iraq.
Okay, it is related to Syria.
Cruel and dangerous place. Remember, even if you're afraid, be strong.
Oh my.
Your loving mother, Fatima.
Is he going to shoot
Did your
Fatima?
mother ever tell you the story of the Lady of Heaven? She was very special. Daughter to the Prophet Muhammad.
Okay, she was a daughter of Prophet
My
Muhammad.
time is near, and afterwards, my lovely Fatima, you will face many trials.
With my father no longer here to lead us, evil is with those who will extinguish the light of truth.
You're gonna let a woman tell us what to do? We will burn her out.
Oh my God.
God will judge all of you.
This world has become a breeding ground of violence. Shadow will be cast
This
across
is big
many
production,
generations
guys.
to come. It said some people are so full of faith, they give strength to everyone around them.
The greatest thing in this life and the hereafter is the spreading of peace in the world.
Nakka.
Lady Fatima's goodness inspired people to stand up, no matter what the cost. Her legacy lives on.
Oh, well, okay. This was okay. This trailer was very, kind of, it is serious. Is going to be very serious movie for sure, but it is going to be worth watching, and the story is about Syria. I guess uh, it is a story about a boy, I think, and then I guess his grandmother, someone, narrates a story of the Lady Fatima, who was known as the Lady of Heaven, and then there are two timelines in the movie. I think the present and the 1400 years back, right? So the Lady Fatima we have seen in the trailer, like she was the daughter of Prophet Muhammad, and one thing came to my mind, that after watching this trailer, uh, in other religions there are no female god or idol, you know like in Hindu religion we worship lots of, and there are females, goddesses, but and I don't know, maybe watching this trailer, uh, as it was mentioned in the trailer that she was the daughter of Prophet Muhammad, and Prophet Muhammad was, many of uh, many people follow Prophet Muhammad, but after him no one was ready to follow a lady or a female. So as it was shown in the trailer that they were burning the house of Lady Fatima because she was woman, and they don't want to follow a woman. I don't know. Maybe it's not right topic to discuss, so I will just drop it. And yeah, about the trailer, I really liked the movie, I really liked the trailer, and it was quite interesting, and I'm really looking forward for this movie. So yeah, let's hope that this movie will come out really great. And one more thing, they have not shown the face of the Lady Fatima, right? I mean, in the trailer we can only see her in the black or white, that dress or whatever it is called. So yeah, and let me know more about this trailer. Okay, what are your views about this trailer? So yeah, and as I said before, that I really appreciate if you will keep suggesting me any videos or whatever, and just be in touch with me, and give your love and support. And once again, thank you for suggesting this amazing trailer, and we will meet you soon. Okay, so it's a bye from me and my bestie Golu. Okay, by the time, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.